Good news for buyers. More homes are on the market this week, so there is more choice. Prices, however, remain up. It's Friday, May 20th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore and Suburban metro areas are slowing to a more moderate buyer demand, while the Southern Maryland market remains in higher demand. All markets combined, 1,571 properties are coming soon, down from last week. 1,274 are temporarily off the market, maintaining an average. 1,851 homes were listed for sale, which is an increase in inventory. 808 went under contract, which is up. 1,587 went to pending, which is also up. 1,790 properties settled in 6 days at 102.3% list to sold ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Anne Arundel County's Cumberstone for $4,050,000. On the rental front, inventory rose to 1,108 rentals at a median $2,100 per month. Be sure to subscribe for new market data and trends. And that's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute, May 20th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, well.